Hi guys, today I'll show you Hyundai poter2 frozen truck. This is frozen 2018 model. See the quality car. Nice, huh? No lost. Chassis number. And also have 2 spare tires. This is still good tire. Clean. Made by 2017, but first registration is 2018. Nice, huh? Okay, I'll start engine. Nice engine sound. I'll show you engine. Hold on a second. There is no jumping oil, no lava gas. Clean engine oil. Also no lava gas. If engine is bad, there is lava gas. Lava gas. Engine sound is very smooth. And person said he changed the new injector last year. That's why you don't have to worry about the condition. The important is injector. And I'm the installer. This one, Android Auto. It's a nice, right? Also can control here.
항상 아내와 우리 아이들 유빈이 지훈이 그리워하고 있다고.
운동 엄청 하셨고 부산.
See?
퇴근했는데 3714 사무실에 선풍기를 켜놓고 나왔는지 꺼놓고 나왔는지 갑자기
이게 뭔 소리야?
Nice, huh? This is brand new. I installed this one. It's around $400 US. That's why you can. There is new rear camera and rear sensor, and if you connect hotspot you can watch YouTube. And This is brand new. If you use YouTube or navigation, you can watch everything. There is Play Store. It's so nice, huh? I envy this one. I don't have in my car like this. Anyway, this is checking temperature, laser temperature. Let's see. 6, 5, 4. Air condition is working good. Working good. And frozen. Set frozen working, and set this one until -40. You can checking. Until -40. And now temperature is, I think, around 20 plus. Let's check later. Window is working good. And side mirror working good. You see the temperature is 20. Actually outside I think over 30 or maybe 35 something. 28. Still temperature is still going down. Heating steering wheel, heating seat, signal, light, and frozen. And working good. All function is working perfect. Okay, let's check. Let's test drive. This is manual, reverse. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. 4, 5, 6, second. There is no sound from steering wheels. Okay. Second gear. Third. 4. 5. 6. Neutral. Second gear. Okay, it's a nice condition. Engine and transmission is very nice. This is just alive also. Okay guys, this is perfect condition. You see the temperature 50. Let's check frozen. minus 0, minus 1. It's a pretty cold. Oh, very cold. Okay guys, this is perfect condition. If any problem, air condition or frozen, we can warranty, so you don't have to worry about the condition. Best Buy. Okay, thank you for watching video. Thank you.